Hey everyone, my name is Christopher, aka Smokey, and I have been a successful YouTuber for over 10 years. Yeah, that's a long time. Now, a lot of you have been asking me what my day-to-day job is, as I do have a lot of cool toys, motorcycles and cars, and I don't seem to be working a 9-to-5 job, as I ride my motorcycles all the time. Well, in the last 10 years, I generated over 3 billion views, and I'm pretty close to 6 million subscribers on a couple different YouTube channels. And that's why sometimes in the background you actually see all of these and golden ones and a couple of YouTube play buttons. I also have a second golden one coming up, and hopefully in the future the Life of Smokey channel will also get another silver one, because I'm really doing my best trying to get 100,000 subscribers on this channel as well. Now, after spending 10 years and thousands of hours behind my computer, recording and editing all the videos by myself, my brain actually starts melting if I spend more than 2 days behind my computer. And that's why I spent the last couple of months creating SmokeyTube, my very own handmade all-in-one YouTube course for beginners to pros. Now, I know what you're thinking, another guy, another course. Yeah, I know. Yeah, these scam courses are really rising from the ground and actually pisses me off. They're asking way too much money for just a cash cow automated YouTube channel that gets demonetized and deleted all the freaking time. And they also ask ridiculously high prices from 1,000 to even 7,000 bucks. It's ridiculous. I should also ask a little bit more. I'm not doing that. In my YouTube course, you will actually become a video creator that makes a nice income while doing the things you love. Now, I spent months working on this course, so there is a lot of info inside of it. How to set up your channel perfectly, how to find your target audience, get views without subscribers. That's a hard one. Using Google Trends, analyzing other channels, Google Keyword Planner, a lot of that stuff. How the algorithm and YouTube search engine works. How to analyze your channel and your videos by using the YouTube analytics inside of your Creator Studio. Also, how to make money outside of YouTube with your own YouTube merch shelf, merchandise, and free to build web shop underneath your video. Underneath this video, you will probably also see the shelf. You can actually build that one for free. I will show you that also in my course. And I will also help you explain how to analyze videos, because sometimes you upload a video and you get like 500 views, sometimes you get like 10,000 views, and you're like, what the hell's going on? Now, inside the course, I have my own secret way of analyzing full YouTube channels and videos, and I will show you that as well. If you have never made videos whatsoever, also good. If you have made a couple videos and already own a YouTube channel, even better, doesn't really matter. And there is a lot more inside of that course to make you a successful YouTuber. It is just everything you need to know about YouTube. I will also give you a lot of ideas on what niche to start if you're not really sure what niche or what kind of videos you should be making. Now, my specialized training inside of this course can be used for any channel whatsoever. If you're playing with kinetic sand, making some money with Hot Wheels cars crashing, or motorcycle riding, motorcycle reviews, car reviews, the course has it all. And to make everything a lot easier, I actually analyzed my Life of Smokey channel itself. It will show you step by step how to analyze things, analyze videos, analyze a full channel, so you can understand everything about your viewer and what they like and what they absolutely do not like. I learned by analyzing my channel, I should not be putting sausages inside my mouth and recording it. I learned that the hard way. So it's perfect and easy to understand for motorcycle, car, and gaming channels, as I use these topics to explain Google Trends and Google Keyword Planners and things like that. But don't worry, I will also help you out if you're planning on painting turtles purple. Once you become my student, you will have a lifelong access to the course and also my private Discord server. On my private Smokey Discord, you can actually have a chat with me, collaborate with others, ask questions, and just discuss topics. If you're not sure what thumbnail to use or want to do some ABC thumbnail testing, you can do it over there. And yours truly, Smokey, will be there to answer your questions. Now, please only join if you take YouTube very serious and you want a side hustle or something like that, or really want to turn it into a big business. I really want to start a YouTube community where creators can help each other, collaborate, and do all that kind of stuff. And if you ever heard of cash cow channels, like these automated channels where you do not have to show your face, I actually put a topping in there as well. I'm not a favorite of it, but some of these scammers are asking way too much money for a cash cow channel or automated YouTube channel course, so I actually threw it in there just for the fun of it, because I really can't stand those people. So if you're really interested in becoming a full-time YouTuber and becoming my own SmokeyTube student, go to www.smokeytube.com and I will see you there, or on the Discord server, and we can have a talk about your channel. And of course, I want to thank all of my subscribers and fans and people who are watching this channel in particular, because, well, I'm dropping all of these channels and focusing mainly on my new channel, which is motorcycle and chimney and all the fun stuff related. And yeah, that is also taking a lot of my time, a lot of inspiration that is needed, a lot of creativity that is also destroying my brain just a little bit, but I'm having a lot of fun. So I want to do the YouTube course and build a community. I want to do Life of Smokey and those two. So yet again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking my videos. I'm having a blast riding motorcycles all day. And if you want to join the SmokeyTube course as a SmokeyTube student, I will see you guys there. Thank you. Smokey out.